if MIT, that is math is tricky. Today I am going to share some tips and tricks about circle. Okay, so let's see here. The topic is circle. In this case, I will be sharing tips and tricks so that you can solve any problems regarding circle. So in case of circle, please remember this. C stands for center. Next one, there is R. It stands for, remember this, R means here radius. It means here to solve any type of problems regarding circle, we need here first center, and then second point we need here is radius. Now the problem is how you are going to find center. To find center, see here center may be sometimes calculated by formula minus G minus F. Maybe sometimes this center is point of intersection. Center is point of intersection of diameters. It's center here. Next point may be sometimes point of intersection of lines may be given. Two lines may be given. That will be considered as center. So similarly, we have to find, after getting center, we need to find radius. To find radius, we have formula. This is simply distance between any point on the circle and center. Okay, so second point we have to find radius. Sometimes we calculate radius by the formula here. Sometimes we can use the formula this to find radius. We use the formula. Sometimes we use this formula G square plus F square minus C. We use this formula to find radius. Sometimes what we do here is, sometimes here we can find the radius by, radius is here again, radius equals, it is here simply diameter by 2, half of the diameter is radius. Sometimes we use this formula also, radius equals R equals, this is here AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by, this is here A square plus B square. I will be explaining what is this, in what case we use this formula. So modulus will take here to get the radius. This will be used here, this formula will be used when, see here, one circle is given and this is the line is tangent, AX plus BY plus C equals 0. If this line is tangent, if your center is given here, this center is x1, y1, in that case this will be radius. This is the radius, and in this case we use this formula. It is rarely used, but sometimes we can use this to solve the problems. In this way, now after getting center and radius, to find the equation of circle we have to use this formula. Equation of circle, let's see here, equation of circle is here x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals r square. Let me explain this. In this case, this h comma k is the center, and now the radius is given here r. If you have radius and center, we can easily find the equation. And I have already told you that, I have already explained how to find center, how to find the radius. So now there are different cases to find the equation of circle. This is when center is given, radius is given. If we have center and radius, we use this formula. So there is another form, diameter form. This is the case when we use to find the equation of circle with ends of diameter are given. Let me explain here. Suppose this is a circle and its diameter end is given here x1, y1, x2, y2. Then in this case your equation will be, see here, equation will be simply x minus x1, x minus x2 plus, see here, x minus x1 x minus x2. So y minus y1 and times y minus y2 equals 0. In this case only we don't need center and radius. Directly we can find the equation of circle. So now let me explain other cases. Sometimes in some cases, now see here, if note down here some points you have to remember. If circle touches x-axis, you remember that h will be equal to r. X-axis, then q will be equals to r. Okay. So if second point you remember, if circle touches y-axis, then you have to put there h equals r. Then remember this condition, sometimes it will be used to solve the problem. Third one point, if circle touches both axes means you just combine this h equals k equals r. This way, these are the points. Now see here, as I told you, this is how we'll be solving the problems. Now let me discuss some more points regarding circle. Sometimes maybe here concentric circle. So you need to remember concentric circle means, concentric circles means center will be same. These all center same, radius will be different. It means there center same. The circles having center same. So maybe here concyclic points. Concyclic points means all the points on the circle. These all points are called A, B, C, D. These are the concyclic points, means they are on the circumference of the circle. So now let me do one problem and explain it how we are. Suppose here, sometimes this type of question may be in your exam. Find the center and radius of the circle 2x square plus 6x plus 8y plus 2y square plus 20 equals, here right here, suppose here it is 4 equals 0. Suppose you have to find center and radius of this circle. So what we do here, always compare it. Solution will be comparing here, this with compare the given equation, always compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. You compare this, but see here, most of the students what they do, they directly compare with this. So, but before comparing, you have to change the given equation in this form. So first what we will write here, x square plus y square plus divide all side by 2. So you will be getting here 3x plus 4y plus 2 equals 0. Now if you compare, what do you get here? See here, 4x and 4x here. 2g equals what? 3. So g equals how much? 3 by 2. For this y here, 2f equals what? 4. So f equals 2. What about c? C is here 2. Now we have the answer. See here. Therefore, center equals minus g minus f. So what is our g? Minus 3 by 2 and minus 2. This is our center. Radius will be how much? I have already given this formula. Radius is simply here g square plus f square minus c. Remember this c is minus here. So g square means here 9 by 4 plus f square means here 2 square is 4 minus c means minus 2. So what's your answer? It is here 9 by 4 plus 2, and it's simply here 9 plus 8 will be here 9 plus 8 by, it is here 17, root 17 by 2 units. That's your answer. So okay, this much about circle. Hope you understood this, and if any queries, any problems, any question, so please write in comment box. Please, again I request you all, please share my video. Thank you so much. God bless you.